Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. Today we're going to take a look at this 2003 Honda VTX1800R with 16,968 miles. Powered by a 1795cc V-twin engine with a 5-speed transmission, the VTX puts out 97 horsepower at 5,000 RPM and 115 foot-pounds of torque at 3,000 RPM. It has a seat height of 27.3 inches and a dry weight of approximately 950 pounds. This bike has been upgraded with a TRIKE kit, an aftermarket exhaust, a Mustang seat, passenger backrest, forward foot pegs, passenger footboards, a Mustang tank bib, a windshield, and driving lights. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. You can view this report by clicking on the link on the right side of the video.